Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to fix add friend not showing up on Facebook app. Other people can't see add friend button on your profile. You can easily fix this issue. Just follow these steps and you will learn how to do it. Open a Facebook app on your mobile and log into your Facebook account. Click on the three lines icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go down and click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Tap on Privacy Settings. Go down and search for the section called Who can send you friend requests. Now choose Everyone, and from now on, users will be able to send you friend requests. That's how you do it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to fix add friend not showing up on Facebook app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.